In this video, I'll provide a complete guide on how to use Kalodata for TikTok Shop, analytics, and product research. First, visit kalodata.com and sign up for an account to access their comprehensive TikTok Shop analytics dashboard featuring over 200 million plus products and 250 million plus creator data. Next, explore the main categories including product to find trending items with revenue statistics, creator to discover top performing influencers, and video and ad to analyze high converting content. Then, use the product research tools to identify best selling products by filtering categories like women's wear or electronics and view detailed metrics including revenue, views, and engagement rates. Analyze competitor performance by searching for specific brands or products and tracking their sales data, video performance, and creator partnerships over time. Set up monitoring alerts for products or creators you want to track and use the historical data spanning 500 days before to identify trends and seasonal patterns. Finally, leverage the live stream analytics to find quality live shopping sessions and export data for your own TikTok shop strategy and decision making. And that's how to use Kalo data for complete TikTok shop analytics.